Hello and welcome to Design Wave. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to use gradient tool in GIMP. A gradient is simply a design element made up of colors that gradually fade into one another. So in this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to use gradient tool on backgrounds and also in text. Alright, we'll just go over and open our new image. Alright, we have our foreground and our background color set. We'll then open a new layer so that we can apply our gradient on it. Then we'll go over to the toolbox and select the gradient tool, or you can click on G on your keyboard. Alright, you can just go over and click and drag across the screen to draw the layer in any manner of which you want. Alright, we've used the gradient for our background. Let's go ahead and try it on the text. Alright, we click on the text tool and write out our text. We'll then move that across to the center. Then will then reset the foreground and background color for the gradients on the text. Alright, then I'll go across to the layer, then right click on the text layer, then click on alpha to selection. Then I'll click on the gradient tool and click and drag across to create a gradient right there. Alright, and there you have it. You can go ahead to the select menu and click on none, and there we have our gradients on our text. I can then go ahead to add some drop shadow to the text to make it look better, and also long shadows too. And that's it on how to use the gradient tool in GIMP. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next one.